Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast battery draining on the AMAZFIT Balance 3. It's typically the settings that cause it. Of course, the battery will be drained a lot during workouts, so if you have lots of workouts, then there's nothing you can do about it. But if the battery is drained when you're not in a workout, then you may want to go to device in the app and then change a few settings. So the first things are going to be in health monitor, and you can see the heart rate. You can change the auto heart rate monitor, and now change it to what you actually need. So of course, saving the battery would be the best if you set it to off, but then it's not going to monitor your heart rate. If you set it to 5 minutes, then it's going to be okay. It's going to waste a little battery, but it's going to be okay. Then you'll find continuous, which you can enable. It is going to use way more battery, but then you can use the high heart rate and low heart rate notifications. You can set them up, but if you don't need them, you can set the heart rate monitor to, let's say, every 5 minutes, and then you can enable active heart rate monitor or not. If it detects physical activity, it will automatically increase the monitoring frequency when this option is enabled. Besides that, sleep breathing monitor, of course, uses more battery during sleep to monitor your breathing. Then there's also auto stress monitor, which checks it every 5 minutes. You can disable it to save battery. And then there's also auto blood SPO to monitor. You can also enable that or disable it. Disabling it will lower the battery usage. Besides that, there's still more to do, which we'll find in, for example, the device settings. In device settings, you'll find display and brightness. Of course, you can lower the brightness. You can also enable or disable auto brightness. Enabling it will actually, I think, lower it more frequently so that it saves the battery. But there's also screen on duration. You can select for how long the screen stays on, and the lower you set it to, the less battery it'll use. Then always on display, which you can see I have enabled because it's showing me the time even though the watch is technically off. Just when I tap on it, it's not off anymore. And I can just disable always on display. Set it to manual, then it will be off. So when the watch is off, it's fully off. And when I set the always on display, then when the watch is off, it's actually not off because it shows still the time. And you could also, if you want to use it, you can, for example, turn it on automatically, make it turn on automatically when it's needed, or turn on a scheduled time. Then besides that, you can enable or disable wake during workout. When it's enabled, then the screen will stay on all the time, so you may not want it because it does indeed use a lot of battery. Besides that, you could also go to General and go to System Update. Then if there's an update available, install it because it may fix some issues that may be draining your battery too fast. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.